A very good day to our Sir Encik Muhammad Faiz bin Wahid. Now we're going to present about project Jigs and Fixtures designed for spacer bracket. I'm going to present to you our team members. Our leader is Muhammad FIKRI. The team members are Muhammad AZFAR, IYLIA ROSYAFIQAH, CHITTANA, and lastly IMELIA AWING. For introduction, I'm going to present about why we need jig and fixture. So, the people's quest for manufactured goods has been growing rapidly over the years. Therefore, to meet up with the high demand, manufacturers have reacted by introducing innovative ways of manufacturing high-quality products at a faster rate. The design of jigs and fixtures are the solution to this problem. Both jig and fixture are used to reduce the non-productive time of any mass production process because they act as tool guiding and work-holding devices for machining and assembly large number of parts. For the problem statement, the needed of design jig and fixture for the mass manufacturing of spacer bracket. The second will be the needed of design jig and fixture to produce part of spacer bracket in short time. And lastly, the needed design for mass manufacturing process with lowest production costs. Going on to my objectives. My first objective will be to present the design of jig or fixture in order to support the spacer bracket manufacturing operations. And also, we are able to deliver the presentation and technical report regarding to the jig or fixture design on spacer bracket manufacturing. Going on for the scope of project. The scope of this project including to design the jig of the given choices of workpiece given. The workpiece chosen is part 2, known as spacer bracket. Next, provide the improvement for design of the project so that the improvement can eliminate the problem in the design for future. The finished part and design will be documented in the report. And lastly, the finished part and design will be presented in the video presentation for the evaluation. Next will be locator and support. Locator and support for jig body. The jig body part was assembled with 3 added custom stoppers locating and supporting pin, which is indicated as the figure. The pin was spaced far apart to reduce locators and to ensure complete contact over the locating surface. The tolerance between workpiece and jig body are ±5 mm and restrict the movement for 9 out of 12 axes except X, Y, and Z axis. Locator and support for jig cover. The jig cover will be clamped off the workpiece onto the jig body and restrict the movement of X, Y, and Z axis. Type of clamp used is strap clamp because we use hinge clamp also. This type of clamp is where the fulcrum is positioned so that the clamp bar is always parallel to the base of the tool. Tool design sketch. This is the tool design sketch. This is our tool design sketch for top, front, and right side. And this is our tool design sketch for jig body. Tool design sketch for the jig top. And finally, this is our tool design sketch for jig rail. This is our final tool drawing. It is going to be presented by Muhammad FIKRI.
So, today I will show you the jig design for this product. So first of all, we will see the assembly here. This is the assembly. So we assemble all the parts from the clamp to the whatever. This is the clamp for the whatever, and then the jigs parts, and this is the stopper for the indicator, for the whole indicator. Later I will explain about it. And then this is the top cover for also act as the clamp for the workpiece. And then this is the workpiece design, workpiece and sign. And then so we can see here, this is the pin locator to position the workpiece. And then at the top cover we have the clamp for the workpiece. It's hard to make sure. Okay, so we'll drag it here. So when after finish with first we come, so of course the screw must be open, so we can and tighten it with a nut. So this will be done on the wood table. So set up the wood table first, and then after finish setting up it, put the workpiece into the jigs, and as you can see it locate perfectly. Of course it has tolerance, but look it perfectly here. This is the hinge where I say the hinge root. And as for the first operation, stop it really to the face of the wall here. So we accurately measured for the first hole. So then close the I don't use this motion study because it has the glitch here, and I cannot find out why. So that's a problem. So that's why I'm doing like this. So next we want to close it. So just take the cover and close it. So we have closed the cover, and as you can see, if you perfectly place the jig, you can see that you will see the indication mark for the center will be perfectly placed inside the hole. Okay, understand? So which hole that will be operate will image the marks like here. Now if not, it will be minus like this. And then okay, this is what I say here, to restrain the chips from interfering with the body movement on the rail. So this is the rail mechanism. Just this is in there, and then we'll close and then we'll insert the stopper. So yeah, when we insert the stopper, the jig will remove, and it restrict all the degree of freedom. Okay, and then for the second, and then pull out the stopper and move the jig to the second hole. Okay. So in operation, actually you cannot see the holes because the workpiece is not drilled yet. So what you can do, just look at the if you're not you don't have time to look, just insert the screw, and wherever it stops, that's the perfect place. Okay, so this is the simulation, of course. That's the case. Okay, so
Okay, lastly, the conclusion. So this is my conclusion, suggestion and recommendation. In conclusion, the design of jigs and fixture plays an important role to support the spacer bracket manufacturing process. The overall consideration for the design of jigs and fixture are shape, material and workpiece condition, pre-machine surface resistance, type of operation and machine instrument, and not forgetting the handling of workpiece, ergonomics and safety aspects. Leaf jig type is a sort of open jig type in which the top plate is arranged to swing about a falcon point so that it completely clears the jig for easy loading and unloading of the workpiece. The advantages are the efficient and quick loading and unloading of the part to the jig. This type also allows drilling in multiple holes in more than one surface for a single loading of the jig. However, the disadvantages are, with multiple holes required to drill, then chips may accumulate inside and cause trouble to the operation. Also, play in the hinge may affect drilling accuracy of the hole if the drill bushing is fitted in the leaf. Since the design of jig and fixture is dependent on numerous factors which are analyzed to achieve an optimum output, that they should be made of rigid light materials to facilitate easy handling. If you are able to do the jig and fixture, we suggest to use mild steel with 16mm was chosen for the design of a sample jig and fixture for adequate strength and rigidity. Thank you!